mount some speakers anyways, but this here, I was gonna put this carpet in that, but I don't have enough for that side. I fell short. I might just paint that black. Let's get a brush out, get some black paint. So that's that. Come around the back here. We got this zone. Looking nice and tidy. I gotta put that trim piece in the back here. I'm gonna install some lights up top and underneath there. And I'm gonna do these right now, I think. I'm gonna take these off and put this same blue fabric here that I got. It's furry. And so I took the steering wheel out because I'm going to paint that inside. I'll show you how that turns out. So with the key on, I added a new switch, or a new light to my switch panel, I should say. So you see the switch panel? I got number 4 working, and number 4 does this. Boom. So, which looks cooler at night anyways. But with those lights, I'm also going to put some glow lights in the back, in those back corners behind the bed, so it glows like upwards. I'll show you what I mean when I get it going. And along the top there, that strip, probably wondering what I'm going to do there. Something similar to this. With a whole bunch of lights all in unison right across there. And that blue fur material. Yeah, so that'll be that. First, behind Dino's head there, I'm going to do those corner pieces right there. And where the heck did it go? Oh, right there. Those 2 corner pieces I'm going to do. And this shag. Blue furry stuff. But yeah, we'll check those lights out at night. See how they look. Okay. Oh yeah, wait till you see this steering wheel. It's gonna look awesome in here now. All custom. Mostly everything here is just hand done custom. But I love it. And I am loving it. We don't want these vans to die and go obsolete. I still got to do this side here, the door panel. Like that one. Got to install that that handle piece there. I gotta shine up these rims again. Okay. I'll let you know how that goes. Those back corner pieces. Over and out. Got one side done. This is the back corner. And I'm just working on the other one right now. As you can see, this part's done. I'll flip it over. And I just gotta spray the adhesive on both materials. and then fold it over, hold it for a few seconds, and then it adheres nice and tight. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do that and get the second one done. Okay, this side is on. So make sure it's stuck to it pretty good, which it is. Maybe I'll wait a few minutes more and just make sure it seals it up good. Basically, it's ready to put on. Okay, this side's in. I have to put a little screw up there to help this one stay in place, but you know, it moves a little bit right now until I fasten it a little bit better. But for now, it's in. It's in. We're just about fully complete here, except for up here, which is going to be probably over the weekend. I'll tackle that. Now you can see how it looks with those corners in the corner there, in the back. Well, remember I said I had those 2 extra mirrors? Boom. They're on the doors. I don't know. We will see. Let me close them up first. I'm a bit scared to slam these doors shut. And from the inside. Whoa, Dino. You like those mirrors? Oh my goodness. Mirrors are always cool in the van. Damn. So we got these ones down here and matching up there. I'm definitely going to have some light that travels along the bottom of that door and the bed there to give it like a glow effect, an upward glow. Similar to how there's a glow on the floor here. So yeah, definitely going to do that. Love it. Here we go. You just want to be in the camera all the time, eh? Oh, it's okay, good boy. You want to go to sleep? So, yeah. Next is that corner piece there, which is going to have this fabric, almost the same similar piece like that, except that whole length. And it's going to have all lights on there. Boom, boom, boom. All across. All kind of angled down to the floor zone here, I guess. Okay, right. I have to check it out tonight when it gets dark. I'll turn some lights on and see how it looks. Okay, over and out.
Rollin, so you reap what you sow. You're living by